40% of Indians suffer from obesity. The reason being unhealthy snacking.
हमारे इंडिया में क्लब कचौड़ी झाल मतलब
Which is why they are turning towards a healthier alternative.
I have done my genetic testing. Podcast देखा था जिसमें वो हल्दी के
रोटी और राइस all over India.
But what about the taste? This is where makhana comes in. What was once an average evening snack is now jazzed up and served on your flight, your average supermarket, and even Anand Mahindra cannot stop tweeting about it.
90% of the makhanas that are grown is grown in Bihar only.
For Indian stat to globally.
No, globally.
This is the owner of Family, a business that makes more than just nuts.
Super healthy as well.
That's why I choose
One of India's biggest healthy snacking manufacturers. कैसे यहाँ raw materials आते हैं, कैसे manufacturing होती है, कैसे वो store करते हैं, and finally कैसे वो इंडिया के हर कोने में पहुँचता है.
90% of the dry fruits that we guys eat today are adulterated with harmful chemicals just to make it more shinier for our customers, just to make it more expensive for the customers. So at Family, we are creating the best healthy snacking brand in the country that can marry health and taste. We invested a lot of about 4.5-5 years, and then we launched the brand late in 2019. The first platform where we tried our products was Flipkart. Within 1.5 years, we got the highest seller of that category. आपका जितना भी प्रोड्यूस है वो बहुत ही स्पेसिफिक रीजन में उगता है. ग्लोबली मखाना सिर्फ बिहार में उगता है.
ऐसा क्या है वहाँ पे?
There's a community, a specific community called Male, which goes into the ponds, take the lotus seed out, and then pops the lotus seed into a makhana. So that is very core to that area. So we established our 5 processing units Bihar for the makhana. So that's the major contributor of our business. In Bangalore, where we do all kinds of cashews because cashews grow there. Sangli, which is in border of Karnataka and Maharashtra,
Right.
where we do all kinds of raisins. And then we have a unit here where we do all kinds of import stuff. So we have that processing units very close to the farms so that the farmers can easily give their produce to the factory. So we do approximately 30 to 35 inwards in a day. 10% of the approx material gets sampled for checking the quality. Almost 25 parameters or different quality parameters. There are 2 quality checks happening here. One is flex seeds, non-pearl almonds that have come from California.
This is the physical parameters. So we are checking all these parameters in a required sample. Next, we come here. We are checking moisture parameter in this. So for almond, it takes 4 to 5 minutes. Suppose dry dates, it takes 20 to 25 minutes. We have next salt test for the seasoning of black pepper.
What kind of salt is there, what kind of oil is there, what kind of aroma is there. So we do a chemical analysis of all the seasonings. Then it goes for the production.
On average, how long does it take to check one sample?
If we have 100 kg to 200 kg, half an hour.
What is the proportion of the acceptance versus rejection?
About 20% of trucks that come in here have rejections. After inward and quality, this is the largest space where all the raw material gets stored.
दिन का कितना प्रोड्यूस हो जाता है आपका?
Yeah, we are doing roughly about 15 tons of per day production. Last year, at the same time, we used to do about 5 metric tons. There are certain products which have high moisture, like raisins, figs, munakka, that goes into cold storage. So guys, this is the cold storage. This is roughly about 1100 square feet. You can keep about 45 to 50 metric tons at one go. You just have to maintain the stack height of 6 so that the lowest box does not get cramped because of the weight.
And for all the products, the temperature is 3 degree or अलग-अलग होता है सबके लिए?
Major component is your RH. You know what kind of humidity is in there in the air. So you have to maintain at 50 to 60. Second is, for example, any product which has very high moisture, like your dates, that those temperatures goes to 2-3 degrees. That's the biggest problem that costs us a lot. It's like we have 3 storage rooms and then 3 cold storage rooms. So overall in a company we keep an inventory of about 60 to 70 days.
How were the initial days like funding से related? कहाँ से पैसा आ रहा था?
We raised our first money around 2019 early. The round was about 2 million. But the idea was let's crack the whole supply chain gap. Then we'll look into the market of what is happening, what we can do. We did a lot of wholesaling. Reliance हो गया, Grofers हो गया, DMart हो गया. But the quantities of dry fruits लेके उनको supply करते थे. तो वहाँ से we were able to manage our cash flows really well. From that money we invested developing our backend supply chain, we're developing our facilities. So you need some VC who understands that piece, like that there is going to be an investment required before a brand gets launched. So guys, this is our roasting area. This is where all the roasting of nuts happens. This is the pistachios which is in the roasting oven. Takes about 60 minutes at 121 degree to roast it. How much time you are giving the hot air to the product? and at what temperature you are giving. Minute to minute change in that will change the flavor. This has to cool down. So it will take about 40 to 45 minutes to come back to a room temperature, get the right crunch, and then you give it for a packaging. This is a manual packaging area. This is for the lots which has to be packed in small quantities. This is the automated packaging machine. We call it PFS machine, pick, fill, seal machine. These comes at about 70-75 lakhs of investment is gone in this. We have 2 more this kind of machines coming in this quarter. So these are where the pouches are getting printed. In today's world, it's the first form of communication that goes to the customer. These are all high quality pouches that can sustain the quality. We have vacuumed the fix first so that to ensure that there is no infestation, there is no moisture that gains, because in market it will be around for 7-8 months. We have almost around 100 plus SKUs. So every packaging material gets stored here. Material which are required in high quantity will be stored in second or third, which will be required in smaller quantities will be stored in fourth row. We will have about 2 crores of just packaging material inventory in the company.
Okay, so right now 2 crore की खाली packaging रखी
हुई है यहाँ पे. हम लोग को 7 साल हो चुके हैं कंपनी में. We could have majorly be done it like say in 3 years if we just focused on कि marketing करना है, brand बनाना. Where we feel कि इस industry में जो गड़बड़ हुआ कि बहुत लोगों ने branding किया, अच्छा marketing किया, but 2 or 5 years homework of solving the supply chain, वो काफी कम brands ने किया. They are best suited to do it because we know it. At the depth.
Could you tell what is the maintenance cost?
70 to 80 lakhs a quarter. You have to do more automation in the factory to, control that cost. Around 8.5 crores is what has been invested till now in this facility specifically. 3.5 crores is already planned for the next year. When you were transitioning from a wholesale business and when we were launching the brand, there was some discomfort on, how as a company you are known to be a wholesale company or a B2B company. That's the major task we felt, we learned in majorly in last 2 to 3 years. एक लेवल पे आपका है, कंपनी में लग रहा है आपने बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट फाड़ दिया है, आप मार्केट में लेके जा रहे हो, कस्टमर्स को चाहिए नहीं, वो जिस प्राइस पॉइंट पे आपने बोला. And there have been times like that.
So what's happening here?
So we have a very innovative product called Date Bites, made of just dry fruits. You have almonds, cashews, pistachios, and dates of a base, and then ghee and honey for the sweetening. So this is called a cutting machine. Cuts it into exact length and it's the exact width. This goes into a pouch. So this is where the date bites get packed. It's called a flow wrap machine. So every date bite gets placed in a tray kind of a thing. The packet gets wrapped around that tray. So it packs about 100 pieces a minute.
Okay.
It's so good.
This is so interesting. I can watch this all day.
So within 6 months, we are able to do more than 1 crore of business in this.
Just through this?
Yeah, just through this. So guys, I've arranged a tasting session for you guys. So you start with our date bites. I think it's time you taste it.
I loved it. The dates and the nuts are going great. Like with the sweet dates.
Plus it's really filling. Like if you're a student, just take it with you to college or lunch निजाम में पैसे नहीं कर तो देखना आगे.
Flavored makhana range. It comes in a cute jar. And this is the largest contributor in the business. Dry fruit mixes. This is our party mix. This is a trail mix. This is berry mix. This is a tropical savory mix. This is pan mix, which is more of a mouth freshener. So it's a very accessible price point. You get dry fruits in 30 rupees. Biggest innovation till date called Masala Munchies. This is the product where we feel the next leg of growth should come.
We have our date bites over here. So could you just break down the entire unit economics?
This retails at 40 rupees.
Okay.
Material that goes into it, it's about 11 to 12 rupees. Then around 1.5 rupees goes for the packaging. Then we have about 2 rupees just for the entire processing. Then we again have 2.5 rupees just for the distribution. Then we have about 8 rupees of margins going to different stakeholders, leaving us as a company 40% of gross margins. Like if I'm selling at 40, 16 rupees I'll get. In that 16 rupees, I'll invest about 7 to 8 rupees in the marketing of that. So in the end, I get 7 to 8 rupees overall for this product in the company. Date bites, which gives us a good margin. Your masala munchies, because it's a highly valued product. 40 to 42% is the gross margins in these two ranges. But when you come back to the your original dry fruits like your pistachios, almonds, cashews, those are the ranges that gives you the the least margins.
So sir, annual revenue क्या चल रहा होगा family का? Could you share that?
So last year we did roughly about 215 crores. Targeting we are doing about 370 crores. We are thinking to do. So as of now our business is about 80% online and 20% offline. We raised about 6.7 million, led by BC Jindal Group. And the main utilization is again on how are we able to make the distribution more offline. One product which is getting produced ऑर्गेनिकली और वो आपका रियल इंग्रेडिएंट 80-90% आपके प्रोडक्ट में, so it's bound to have some fluctuations. ये चीज आप कस्टमर्स में समझ सकते हैं. कस्टमर्स को एक टेस्ट पता है, कस्टमर्स को एक प्रोडक्ट ध्यान है, they'll want that product only. All the complaints across our products comes to my personal mail ID. Some of the customers told us कि यार ये square है. I remember my chocolates or my meals in a rectangular format. So can you make it in rectangular format? Just we have to decide how much we are listening, how much we can do. Those are the things.
We have broken down the unit economics.
Yeah.
We have seen all the inventory. We have seen how the products are made.
Yeah.
Now one important question is remaining. कि सर राहुल द्रविड़ क्यों आए? कैसे आए?
You know, it was a good cricketing season last year. We choose cricket because it connects South India, North India, and being an online brand, we were available pan India. I think he's the very few A-listers who has preserved his equity really well.
आज अगर कोई और कंपनी इस टाइप के इंडस्ट्री में आती है तो आपका ऐसी क्या एडवांटेज है जो वो आपको स्टैंड आउट करा देती है और वो नहीं घुस पाएगा?
The investment that we have done in the last 5 years to develop our backend linkages, the kind of sourcing strength we have, that should give us a good advantage over any other business that comes in this.